here tonight, and with me is the one, the only. Say hello to Sergeant Pyro.
Hello!
Sergeant Pyro, you know and I know you know. Well, they all know now. We're going to do a safe and sane demo for you. And what's the name of the firework brand we have tonight?
Blast Wave Cuckoo.
Cuckoos. One more time.
Cuckoo. Cuckoo.
There we go. And that's not sound effects. That's Sergeant Pyro. Now, I think we got 6 of those in there. Cuckoos. Yep, you're good. Cuckoos are a must-have for 4th of July, right? Wherever you are, safe and sane, aerial state, you can get these at any retailer, different brand, and they're cuckoo. So we're going to set them up out on the street pad, and we're going to go ahead and light them off. Are you ready, Sergeant Pyro? Wow, the people are coming into the ranch. Here we go. One at a time, says Sergeant Pyro. So we're going to start closest to us. We're going to do one at a time. We're going to just run this through. There we go. Cuckoos. That was pretty good.
Thanks.
All right. Hey, you know what? Let's see if we can do 2. Just watch you don't burn yourself. There we go. Cuckoo! Whoa! All right, we're gonna keep going here. So let's see. All right, we got 3 to go. Oh, Sergeant Pyro. He lives on the edge, people. Whoa! So if you're cuckoo, yeah, I know, right? Pick those up. Sergeant Pyro approved. BBQ